Do you want your child to calculate faster than a calculator? Or maybe you are someone looking to sharpen your mental math skills? Welcome to my channel. I am Rohan Makhija, an international coach with over 2000 students worldwide, and today I'll introduce you to the magic of the abacus, an ancient tool that transforms the way you think about maths. What is an abacus? The abacus is a centuries old tool originally used for arithmetic calculations. It has evolved into a powerful training a device that builds mathematical skills, concentration, and even memory. You see, the abacus isn't just about numbers, it's about unlocking the potential of your brain. The abacus is based on a place value system. Each bead represents a number, and the frame here divides them into units, tens, hundreds, and so on. When you move bead up or down, you are performing a calculation. Let me show you a simple example. Action: if suppose you are putting this up, so it will be added. If you put it down, it will be subtracted. Similarly, if you want to make 4, this is your ones place, 1 2 3 4, like that, simple as it is. Easy, right? This is just even beginning. With practice you can use the abacus for multiplication, division, and even complex calculations. Yes. So thank you for watching. If you are excited to learn more and master the abacus, join my online or offline classes. Whether you are parent or student, this journey will change the way you think the numbers forever. Thank you.